Hello everyone, today we are going to show you our project report and video recording of our result. Here you can see the main Docker file of the project, and here Docker Compose file, which contains all dependencies and project's configuration, such as database, volumes, and different stuff like metrics and etc. Also, configuration is done in PyProject file, which you can see here. In the environment local file, you can see environment variables such as access URL to the database and API key for the third-party API with currency rates. Let's check our project. Let's write Docker Compose. As you can see, here all containers are up and running. And now we can check how our Nginx works and the project itself. Let's copy our example URL with request for currency conversion and paste it to the browser. We will test it on our local machine, localhost. Here, as you can see, indicates a number of the currency translation. Also, we can check documentation for our IP in the Swagger. Here 3 methods like post and get. And simple documentation for the currency conversion. Now let's check our database, how it's implemented. Here our columns with the currency rates for each currency. Now let's check how backup implemented. Another Docker file included to the project, which calls the backup sh file, where script for the backup implemented. As you can see, this is a separate container which is running. And in the Docker Compose, it's also included. Now let's see how our Nginx works and how it balances the load. So our first request was to the third API server, and when we execute it second time, another server maintains our request. Like this. And the last part, but not least, is the metrics. So here's Prometheus, which collects all the useful data, and with Grafana we can visualize it in a proper manner, like this. Also, we do not forget about CI/CD pipeline. Here's the YAML file where the pipeline is described. And we can see how successfully each stage works. For example, we can open lint one, and here all useful logs which say us that this stage was completed successfully.
Thank you for attention.